Thanks very much. I'll try to keep on schedule. It's a hard show to beat. Everybody's been right on schedule. So I'm Neil Kennedy. I'm Senior Vice President of Commercial Operations at Dovetail Genomics. Thanks for the opportunity to speak. I think we're latecomers to this event. Nice to see some familiar faces here. Okay, so at Dovetail, we're developing novel, transformative technologies through products and services for basic researchers, clinical researchers, pharmaceutical companies, and into agricultural sustainability. We have a start here in Santa Cruz as well. I wanted to point out that our scientific advisor there is on the bottom left, Ed Green. Dr. Ed Green is a professor at University UCSC. He's an assistant professor of biomedical engineering at UCSC. And like many of the companies here, we got our start through UC Santa Cruz. On the top left there, our CEO, Todd Dickinson, happens to be one of the founding members of Illumina. And so we're happy to be a local company based in Scotts Valley, California. I do have this slide up. David Housel, you're on there. David, yeah, he's part of our SAB, and David Deemer, I'm so sorry, I need a photo from you. David Deemer recently joined our SAB as well, so we have a wide variety of experts on our SAB we can tap into for expertise. Okay, so as I mentioned, we're based in Scotts Valley, California. If anybody is familiar with the former Borland building in Scotts Valley, at the corner of Granite Creek and 17, we're in that facility. It's a gorgeous place to be. We have 45 employees, and more than half of them are local residents, as am I. And we were founded in 2013. We have a few field-based employees doing sales and support for our customers worldwide. Okay, so what's the problem with that we see in genomics that we can uniquely address? We got our start doing, like you've heard many talks today, about genome assembly. Now we're moving into new areas. So definitely next generation sequencing technologies it's revolutionized biology, the way we go about studying biology. But still there are gaps that remain in today's tool chest of genomics tools. And specifically in the area of, sorry for the eye chart by the way, but genomic rearrangements and chromatin accessibility. These are two areas that the current tools just have a very, very difficult time assessing, and they're underserved. And we're addressing that through proprietary technologies. So our plan is to achieve the dream of precision medicine. We believe that can happen only through a more sort of robust and well-rounded repertoire of tools. And so our solution is to address exactly this. Detect genomic variants and epigenetic genome structure that are so important and are evasive to standard sequencing technologies. And our technologies work with a wide variety of different sample types, from blood to frozen tissue, as well as formalin fixed paraffin embedded samples. We enable genome-wide scanning for better discovery mechanisms for new discoveries, as well as focused approaches, targeted approaches for biomarker discovery and detection. And so yes, we are working very, very hard at Dovetail. It's a great team. It's very much a startup environment. It's a great vibe at the company. We have the typical startup ping pong table and foosball table, which is a must, and they get used regularly. And this is the team celebrating a recent product announcement that we had a couple of weeks ago. I just wanted to highlight, we do have 3 openings at the company. One is for a VP of Research and Development. We have a product manager position in the marketing organization. And we have an executive assistant position. With that, I thank you. Thanks very much.